Magandang buhay sa lahat. Liz can update, Liza Soberano, in attendance, at the 2025 Variety Power of Young Hollywood. On August 7, 2025. Held at the Four Seasons Hotel, Los Angeles Beverly Hills, Los Angeles, California. Liza Soberano, looking so gorgeous, as ever. Samantala, spotted pa din, si Liza Soberano, with Brandon Sato, and the Tinakasayo Private Wealth Group. At Tequila, ngayong araw, August 8, 2025. Happy to see, Liza Soberano, surrounded with nice, and good people. Samantala, si Enrique Hill naman, spotted din, nakasama, sina Sir Ranvel Rufino, ang kanyang manager, Miss Jane Jimbas, and Sir Chairman. Ayon pa sa caption, ng J Creative Entertainment. Here we go, excited, for this new chapter, with the MVP Group. Maraming aabangan, kay Enrique Hill. Ito ay trabaho lamang, at walang personalan.